You're tired of the stubble, but which method is actually worth your time and money? Today we're doing a reality check on the three giants: Brazilian waxing, plucking, and laser. One is a quick fix, one is a test of patience, and one is a long-term investment. By the end of this video, you'll understand which option best fits your lifestyle and budget. Let's start with Brazilian waxing. Professional wax removes hair from the root. It's quick and treats larger areas efficiently. Results usually last around 3 to 4 weeks. Individual regrowth varies. Waxing requires regular maintenance, but many people appreciate the immediate smooth feeling. Next is plucking. It's designed for removing individual hairs with precision. Using tweezers for a full Brazilian area would take considerable time and may increase the risk of ingrown hairs. Laser hair removal works by targeting melanin within the hair follicle to reduce future hair growth. After a series of treatments, many people experience substantial long-term hair reduction, although results vary. Laser costs more upfront, but over several years it may become more economical than regular waxing. So, what's the verdict? Waxing delivers quick smoothness, laser offers long-term reduction, and tweezers are best for occasional touch-ups. Which method works best for you? Share your experience in the comments and subscribe to MTH Health for more evidence-based health content.